What's up, guys? It's Jonathan with REVFREE Moto. Today we're going to be replacing the floor liners in my 2024 Toyota Tundra, the OEM floor liners, and we're going to be putting in these LASFIT liners, which are laser cut and made of top tier materials. So I'm really excited to go ahead and get into these and compare them to the OEM floor liners and see what the difference is, and hopefully this is going to be a quality product. Let's go ahead and get into it. Here are the OEM All Weather Floor liners. Here's the back seat. It goes over and covers this center area as well. They're pretty good quality. The OEM ones, fairly good thickness, but you can see even the OEM ones don't really cover every nook and cranny as far as coverage. It's pretty good, but it certainly isn't perfect. Definitely could be better, especially here underneath the pedals. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take these out, nicely packaged in this plastic. Go ahead and cut into that. I've got all the OEM floor liners laid out here so we can compare them to the LASFIT. Okay, so check this out. This is interesting. So here we have the OEM floor mat laid inside the LASFIT floor mat. And as you can see, this is for the driver's side. As you can see, you've got a whole lot more coverage. So you got a little bit more coverage here, and you've got more of a lip here. You also have a little more coverage up here, and that's going to go up underneath of the brake pedal and the gas pedal. So we also have more of a lip here, so that's great. You can see they are lined right up on top of each other. And now let's kind of take a look at them side by side. All right, so here you have driver's side. All right, you can see the difference as far as the thickness. These are a very similar thickness. I feel like this is a little bit of a harder rubber. This is a little bit of a softer rubber. So these are kind of a little bit more firm and in shape. So that should be a good thing as long as these are cut laser accurate like they say they are. All right, now moving over to the passenger side front. Again, we have a little bit more coverage here, a larger lip on the side here, a little bit more coverage, and about the same back there, but just a tiny bit more. So let's go ahead and take that off. Now you see them side by side. So here's your LASFIT, and here's your OEM All Weather. All right, so you can see on the corners here, you've got a little bit more coverage on the LASFIT. All right, and then here's your back seat. So your back seat for the Crewmax Tundra, you've got more coverage going underneath the seats. All right, so that's good. And more coverage here, more coverage here. One place that I'm seeing that the LASFIT is lacking just a little bit is right here. So got a little bit more overlap in the area where, you know, it comes up up against the door. All right, so the OEM's got a little bit of an overlap here. LASFIT, that's the only place where there isn't more coverage. We'll go ahead and kind of look at them side by side or next to each other here. You have your OEM and you have your LASFIT. Again, you can see this is really raised up. This is a softer, more kind of I don't want to use the word flimsy, but you can see it. That's OEM and that's your LASFIT. All right, let's go ahead and get them in the truck. Installing the LASFIT on the driver's side. Should be laser cut, so it should be pretty easy to get in there. Okay, so now that we've got it in place, looks like it's all good. we can go ahead and lock it down with these tabs here and here. And now they're in place. All right, so you can see you got a lot better coverage here with the slip going over. This goes up a little bit higher, and then in the back you've got more coverage underneath your pedals, so that's fantastic. Passenger side, they got the LASFIT in there. I'm going to go ahead and lock it down. Great coverage here, nice high lip here, kind of keep any spills in place. Again, you have a nice high lip here that overlaps the kickboard. All right, we have the rear LASFIT floor liners installed, and they're kind of sticking up a little bit. It's a colder day, and this is a harder rubber than the OEM one, so this should lay down over a little bit of time. Shouldn't take too long, but I'd say once it warms up a little bit, it'll lay down to it. But as you can see, you got like extra coverage here. This is all bonus coverage versus the OEMs. This triangular area here was covered by the OEM, and so that's like, if I had any critique for LASFIT, it would be to go ahead and cover that area as well. That way you're getting all and more with the OEM offers. You also have like extra lip here, so that's going to prevent anything that's building up in here from spilling out. And same over on the other side. It looks really fantastic. It's a really good fit, and again, you've got all that extra coverage up underneath of the seat. This is another thing that I believe will lay down over time. It's just because it's a cooler day, it's been stuck in the box, and so because it's a little bit of a harder rubber, right now it's doing this. But I know that over time, with it heating up and conforming to where it's laying, it should be fine. This is just from being in the box. So really, overall, I'm very pleased with the quality of the product. I think it's great that you get all the extra coverage, all the extra height on the floor mats, and I really think that it's a good option for your Tundra. So if you're interested in these floor mats, I've got a special code. Code REVFREE is going to get you 15% off of these floor mats, and I'll put a link to order them in the description below.
All right, guys, just taking a look real quick at the LASFIT.com website and looking at these LASFIT liners for the Tundra. They make them for the 22 through 25 Toyota Tundra Crewmax. You're going to get all-weather protection, mud, rain, sand, snow, no matter what it is. They are made of this environmentally friendly thermoplastic elastomer or TPE material, which is more flexible, durable, and resistant to wear and tear than traditional rubber mats. Made from recyclable materials and free from harmful chemicals. They're also going to lock in place just like your OEM. They're non-slip and easy to clean. And remember, you get a 45-day money-back guarantee, a lifetime warranty on the product, free shipping, and 15% off with code REVFREE on LASFIT.com.
Hey guys, what's up? This is a new day. It is raining outside. It is cold. I am using my phone light to illuminate myself inside of my garage, so I'm sorry if the lighting's a little crazy, but I'm getting a little creative here. I just wanted to show you how these are settling in, the LASFIT liners in my 2024 Toyota Tundra. Again, these are actually made for the 22s through the 24s, and that you can outfit the Crewmax cab with these. Now, there's lots of other vehicles that the LASFIT liners will fit as well, but I wanted to show you that they have laid down very nicely. I had to bend them back against themselves. It actually says that in the directions, that if they're formed in the wrong direction and you're having trouble with them, then just bend them against themselves and they'll form back the way you need them to. So they're really fitting very nicely. And with it raining today, it's been holding, not that there's a lot of water in the truck, but if you look inside on the driver's side, you can see how it holds water in the channels really well. You can see that with these high ridges and this wider lip here that kind of sits over the top of your kick panel, you've got great protection as far as your interior, and it's really going to hold anything that you can throw at it as far as mud and snow and ice and muddy water, things like that. So I really think it's really good. Overall, an excellent product. And if you want to save 15% site-wide on these LASFIT liners, just use code REVFREE. I'll throw it at the bottom of the screen in the checkout. So if you want to save some money on some really good floor liners, you can't beat the price point. It's better price than WeatherTech and a lot of other brands out there. So I definitely would recommend these for your truck if you want some good coverage and some good quality floor mats. All right, guys, that's going to do it. And thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.